Hey guys, it is a little bit nervous Nancy Ann today to show you the Happy Holidays Sleep and Body Edit from Wantable. Why am I nervous? This box is so small. Look at this. It's dinky. And that means there's probably dinky things in here. And when you're talking about a sleep and body edit, that might mean lingerie and bras and panties. So let's get into this. Well, as I mentioned on the intro, I'm a little jumpy about this one. I ordered the Happy Holidays Sleep and Body Edit. I haven't had super great luck with sleep and body edits from Wantable, even though every other unboxer I watch seems to do fabulous with them. So on this one, I said, you know what? I think I said you could go ahead and send me a bra. I don't think I mentioned anything about panties, which I've gotten before and I've purchased and I liked them. But yes, I'm a little bit nervous. It's supposed to be a holiday themed sleep and body edit. So with Wantable, their sleep and body edits are going to be exactly what it sounds like. They're going to be things that you wear for lounging around the house and to sleep in, and then some of your more intimate type things. A little afraid that's what's in here. And the reason why I'm going to go ahead and unbox it with you is because I'm pretty sure by the size of this box, I'm not going to be able to try a lot of it on for you. So we'll just see what they offer in these, and maybe that will be of some benefit to you. Wantable, of course, is a styling service. They send 7 items to you after you have filled out a profile online and paid a $20 plus tax, which is odd because none of the other styling services charge tax. But anyway, I digress. The tax also gets credited back towards anything you keep, by the way, along with the styling fee. But so you pay the $20 and then the stylist gets to work. She finds 7 pieces for you according to what you said you would like in your profile and their different stats and things on the profile. She sends them to you to try on in the comfort of your own home. And like I said, that $20 styling fee does credit back towards anything you keep. If you keep 5 or more items, you get a 20% discount. So that can be a pretty significant discount. And a lot of times it is cheaper to keep 5 items than 4 with Wantable. Okay, so now let's open this box and see what we got here. Oh, and you have 5 days to try and decide what you would like to keep, if I didn't mention that already. Always, they have this really cool little sticker. Mine came loose. It's no longer holding the paper in place, but it says styled for Nancy Ann. I'm going to open this up. I'm not going to pull out the bundle because I think things are just going to fall out. So on the top is my Happy Holidays Sleep and Body Edit little pamphlet. This will have my items in there along with the stylist note, which I won't bore you with. I'll read that later and relay it to you if anything pertinent is in there. We have the return mailing envelope. Postage is included in the price of whatever you purchase, both to you and back to them. Yep, underwear. Here is a 3 set of b.tempted hipsters in size extra large. Typically, I would be a large in these, but I like ordering a size up in underwear. I just think it's more comfortable. It doesn't cut in, less chance of panty lines. Yes, a bra. This is the Spacer t-shirt bra in black. It's a 34F. That's not going to fit me. I'm a 34. Here's a lot of information for you, but it's always in my drop-down box anyway, so people can relate my sizes to the items so they can kind of compare for themselves if something might work. I am a 34G, so this is going to be too small for me, believe it or not, but this is what the bra looks like. And how many hooks? That's always important to me. 3 hooks. So when you're bigger busted, when you're heavy busted like I am, the more hooks, the better. So I like at least 3 and 4 is usually ideal. So I'm going to try this on underclothes, but unless it's on sale, and I may have requested this, I did put some requests in, $64 is a little bit spendy for a bra. Although I will say, I have to wear bras every day, so I don't mind spending a little bit extra on a really good quality bra. I know a lot about bras because you just, well, it has to do so much work. By the way, I have a friend, her name is Penny, and she works with you know, the companies that multi-level marketing, selling bras, and they're very good quality bras. And she now goes to my church. And I thought about mentioning to her about doing a video together about bras. I like the quality of their bras. They're just a little bit expensive for me. What do you guys think about that? I know I've mentioned doing a bra video before, but what would you think if I had Penny on here, who actually knows a ton about bras, and we just talk bras? Maybe I could make it like a party where if people buy things, then I get a discount. Oh, that would be awesome. But that wouldn't be my main reason for doing it. It would be for giving good information on bras for you guys. So let me know down below if that's something you would be interested in. We have another bra. This one I think I would be more interested in depending on the size. So let's see what we've got here. This one is $42, significantly less expensive, also by b.tempted. I like the color. This is Nearly Nothing Plunge in Peppercorn. I think I asked for this one. I didn't check the size right then, but yeah, I think I would like this. I don't have another bra like this. This is a 34 double D. That's the equivalent of a 34E, sort of. I found that, boy, we are going to do a lot of talking about bras today. I found that like a 34, so see, I'm a F, D, E, F, G. I'm a G. That would be like a quadruple D. If something is labeled G, it actually fits me better than a quadruple D. Maybe it's in my head, but I've just had better luck with that. I think because they're more acknowledging kind of the shape of the breast going in the bra. Yes, I said the B word. So anyway, I don't even think I'm going to try that on, guys. It's just too small. I told them my size, and they sent me the wrong size, unless the stylist has something to say about it in there. But anyway, most women, by the way, wear a band size that's too big and a cup size that's too small. So I would have been at this weight before Penny got a hold of me, the gal I'm talking about who sells the bras. I would have probably gone with like a 38D. Maybe, yeah, probably a 38D. And when she jacked me down to a 34 and put me up in these larger, I was like, that's not going to fit. And I looked at the bra and I said, I'm not going to fill that out. So she puts it on me. Sure enough, not only did it fit, but it made me look a whole lot better. I lost like 5 pounds in the 2 minutes it took to get the bra on. So anyway, let me know what you think about that. Okay, I had asked for short sleeves and long pant pajamas. So let's see what she came up with. And on Wantable, there is the stream that's different items come up that kind of fit your profile, and then you can request or decline, and that gives the stylist a good idea of what you will and will not wear and what you do and you don't like, your preferences. And then she can go to the items that you requested and choose some of those to be included in your box if she so chooses, and they often do that. I think it raises their chances of selling something to you in the box. Let's see what we've got here. But it's a neat feature, and that way I'm almost always sure to get something I'm at least interested in. This looks like a pair of pajama pants. They're kind of cute. Extra large. I usually try to save the prices for the end, but I'm looking at them right here. Look at the pattern on this. Isn't that cute? It's a very kind of a wintry themed. Hugs. Let's get cozy. It's got pictures of winter boots, all sorts of different things here. So the question is, are both sides facing the same direction? Yeah, okay, so this pattern can go, it's right side up no matter which way you turn it. That's something I always check. Is the pattern upside down on one of the pieces? Why? Because I've made that mistake sewing before. Man, we better come up with some, okay, these are some warm pants here. These are a thick flannel pajama pant. And as long as we're looking at prices, these are $48. These feel like they're really substantial quality. They're so thick a flannel, they almost feel like felt. All right, we'll see what we think of those. And then we have a couple of sleep shirts. So we've got one by Hue. It looks to be a solid black. Yes. Oh, this is long sleeve. Okay, what happened to I want short sleeve shirts? That's a 3/4 sleeve. See, I have bad luck with sleep and body edits. What's this one? This is short sleeve. This is by PJ Salvage. I've heard of that. I've never tried it. This is $45. It better be a good price, good quality for $45, and it's this light blue. Okay. I'm going to try 2 sets of pajamas on for you. Is everything else I'm not letting anybody see. I did not mention when I was explaining about Wantable that if you use my link down below, you will get $25 towards your first Wantable edit, and I will get a $25 credit as well. And that $25 that you get, by the way, will pay your styling fee on the box and then also go towards anything you keep in the box itself. Okay, let's get on to the first two items. I love both of these actually. I know what I said about this not being short sleeve, but I think it actually would be perfectly fine, the top. This feels like a really good quality knit fabric. Very comfortable, a little bit warm, which I kind of would need this time of year. It's not super lightweight. And then the pants, these are really soft and I really, really like them. I requested the pants, by the way. These are an extra large. I like my pajamas to be a little bit roomy. These are, I think they're the correct size on me. They have a drawstring waist. Really comfortable, a little bit short. These, by the way, these are the slippers I was wearing when I was sitting down. I pad around in my slippers a lot, but so these are mucklucks that I actually got from Wantable, but they're perfect length to wear with these high slippers like this. If these were pants, I think they were too short, but because they were pajamas, they are pajamas. I just don't care. All right, so I'm gonna tell you what these are since we've already revealed the price on so many other pieces. This is the V-neck long sleeve tee in black, size medium. This is $42 and apparently I requested it. So that would explain why she gave it to me. I wouldn't call it long sleeve, but anyway. And then I've got the Happy Place pant in rose quartz. This is size extra large, and this is $40. I think if I don't keep anything else out of this edit, I will keep these. These are very comfortable, but I would really like to find a top to match with them, and both of the tops in here would. So I'll be back in just a minute with the other two pieces. Before we move on to the next set of pajamas, I just want to discuss the bra situation for a minute. So this right here is the b.tempted Nearly Nothing Plunge in peppercorn, and it's a size 34 triple D, and it says I requested it. It's $42. I wish this fit me. I mean, it's not going to fit me, neither are, so I'm not going to bother putting them on. But 34 triple D, I would have never requested it in that size. Obviously, it was available in my size when I requested it, but it may explain why she sent the Montelle Spacer t-shirt bra in black, size 34F, because a triple D is technically the same size as an F. So she may have thought by this being triple D, this was an F. Maybe it was a user mistake. Maybe it was me and I accidentally requested the wrong size, but regardless, I can't wear these sizes. The cup's going to be too small. So that's that. Now on to the next set of pajamas. These are the last two pieces I can show you in this Wantable edit. So let's talk about the top first. This is a really cute, just very light blue, kind of plain crew neck top. I generally don't like crew necks. This doesn't feel overly constricting on me. So this would be perfectly fine. It's short sleeved, but it's not really that much shorter sleeve than the black one. The black one was more comfortable. I think I liked it better. So, and also the length on this is kind of short. And you know, for pajamas, you just kind of want things that have extra length and extra room and all that good stuff. Let me show you the back for the length and get a look at the pants while I'm back there. So these pants are in size large. These are a very substantial flannel. They're really warm. They're actually softer on than I thought they would be. I thought that when I put them on, they were going to be kind of stiff from the feel of the fabric, but they're not. I don't know if I showed you the print real good when I was unboxing, but it's got skiers and pine trees. Very, very cute on a black, dark blue background. And it's got a little bit of red piping around the cuff down there. So these are not an extra large. I requested these in extra large. I think she sent these to me and she did it in large. I don't know why, because I normally request an extra large. I don't think they're too small. It's just that with pajamas, I think I would like for them to be just a little bit bigger, just for comfort's sake. So let's take a look at what these are. So the pants are the Up to Snow Good flannel pant in navy, size large. They're $48. And then this is the Back to Basics solid tee in ice blue, size medium, $45. And they're both by PJ Salvage. That's $90 for this set of pajamas. If I'm gonna pay that kind of money for something, I would rather have these that are just more comfortable. It's a softer, a little bit bigger, and then the t-shirt was really soft and comfy. And the combined price on these two would be $82. So I think I would rather get that set. Okay, I'll be back in 1 second and we will do just a little bit of a wrap up. The price on the panties that I showed you on the intro, these are by b.tempted, the Bee Bear Hipster in Rose Smoke, Night, and Antler. These are $36 for 3, which I don't think is a bad price on 3 pairs of good quality underwear. That's one place where I've learned that when you go cheap, man, it does not pay off. It's just better. The more expensive ones just tend to be more comfortable, stay where they're supposed to be, and then not show panty lines. So that one I would consider. Okay, so with Wantable, like I said on the intro, if you keep at least 5 pieces, you get a 20% discount. So on this box, the merchandise total is $317. The keep 5 discount is $63.40, which brings the order subtotal down to $253.60. Then the styling fee gets credited back, and by the time that's all done, it comes out to just under $250 for everything. Of course, I'm not keeping everything. I'm almost positive I'm going to keep these 2 pieces right here. And these would just be $82, and then my styling fee would get credited back, so I would pay an additional approximately $60 for those. If I were to keep 5, I would keep these 2 also, and then I would keep the underwear. That's just not going to pay off from a financial standpoint. But if somebody put a gun to my head and said you have to keep 5 pieces, I would keep these 5. They're fine. There are 5 pieces in this that I really like. I just really only need 1 set of pajamas. I'm thrilled I found a pair because, like I said, I haven't had great luck with Wantable sleep and body edits. So this one actually worked out for me in that regard. With that, we are done. So I want to thank you very much for joining Ruger and I, who is still sleeping. Speaking of sleep, I want to thank you very much for joining us for another unboxing. I really appreciate you being here. I know, especially at this time of year, time is precious, and the fact that you just spent some of it with me checking this box out just really means a lot, and I sincerely appreciate you. If you could just take a second, poke that like button. I love the comments down below. Interacting with you guys is terrific. Subscribe if you like all sorts of different types of unboxings. I would be really honored if you would consider that. And of course, hit that notification bell if you want notification of upcoming unboxings. And with that, I will let you go. We'll see you on the next unboxing. Bye-bye, and be blessed. And if it's a sleep and body edit and it's small, that tells me it probably has small I think I just messed up my microphone. I got to start over. Hey guys, it's Nancy Ann. Welcome to Nancy Ann's Unboxings. Nope, I'm not going to do it that way either.